What is a bridge loan? A bridge loan is a common tool that's used when you already own one home and you want to purchase your next home, but you maybe don't want to sell your first home before purchasing your next one. For example, you're a young family, you've got two little kids at home. Can you imagine having to stage your house every single weekend while there's showings happening so that you can close on your current home and have all your stuff packed up and ready to go at closing before you purchase your new home? Kind of sounds like a headache. So, if it's possible and you can qualify for a bridge loan, what people will do is they'll take a loan against the equity in their current home and take that money and apply it right towards the down payment in their new house. As we know, a lot of times people don't have the money saved up, or they have hundreds of thousands of dollars of equity in their current home and they just don't want to take that out of 401k or stock accounts to put it towards their new home. They'd rather just move the equity right from their current house into their next home. And that is exactly what a bridge loan is for.